Welcome back to Tech by Nirbhay. So in this video, we will see 12 amazing Chrome shortcuts that will surely increase your productivity and help you make your life easier. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So firstly, I will show you 4 Chrome navigation shortcuts that will be really helpful if you are someone that is working as an IT professional and you do lots of screen sharing session via Teams app. Okay, so what I mean by that, okay, suppose you have done screen sharing session, then you may be getting like option like you are sharing screen in the middle of at the top of your screen, and at that time if you want to navigate between the tabs that is behind of that option, so you may be finding like really annoying to jump into that tabs. Okay, so for that what we can do, suppose if you have opened multiple tabs and you want to navigate between those tabs in a forward direction, so what you can do, you can simply press Ctrl and hold it and keep on pressing tab. As you can see, whenever I am pressing tab, it is moving in forward direction. Okay, and similarly to move in the backward direction, you can press Ctrl and Shift and hold them and press tab. As you can see, it is now moving in backward direction. Okay, now what if you want to directly jump in the third tab or in a fifth tab? Okay, so you can do that by how you need to press Ctrl, and if you want to jump in a third tab, you have to press 3, and if you want to jump in a fifth tab, you have to press 5th, and for first it will 1. And suppose you have to navigate in the last most tab, so for that you need to press and hold Ctrl and press again 9. So you are in the last most tab, as you can see. Fifth, suppose if you want to open new tabs, so what you can do, in spite of clicking here plus and plus, so you can simply use Ctrl and press T. As you can see, it is opening new tabs, and to close it we can use CTRL+W. as you can see, it is closing that tabs. Okay, and to open a new window, you can simply hit CTRL+N and it has opened a new window, and to close this new window you can simply hit again CTRL+W. It will close that window. Now let's say I want to search for something. Okay, so for that I can simply hit CTRL+L, and you can see it has taken my cursor to that search bar directly. Okay, now let's say I search for Tech by Nirbhay and open this link. Okay, you can see a channel has been opened, that is Tech by Nirbhay, that you can subscribe. Okay, now let's say I have mistakenly closed this tab. Now this might happen with you also. You have incidentally closed some tab and you want to get back that tab. So how you can do? So for that you can simply hit Ctrl+Shift and press T. As you can see, my tab is again back. Now suppose if you want to zoom in your Chrome tab, so instead of going here and clicking on plus, what you can do, you can simply hit Ctrl and plus icon, as you can see, and to zoom out you can simply hit Ctrl+-. And suppose if you are somewhere and you want our zoom back to 100%, so for that you can press Ctrl+0. as you can see, your zoom is back to 100%. Last, the bonus shortcut. Suppose if you have opened multiple tabs in your Chrome browser. Okay, now if you want to get to know like which tab is consuming more CPU of your system, so let's say I have opened here only the static kind of web page. Okay, and in the second tab nothing is there, and in the first tab let's say I play some video. Okay, so if I want to get like which tab is utilizing more CPU, so for that I can press Shift and Escape. Now you can see like my tab, that is 7 apps, 7 Windows shortcuts, it is consuming 26 to 14% of CPU of my system, whereas other tabs which are idle, that are nothing consuming. Okay, and if you want to close this tab that is most consuming, I can simply select that tab and click on End Process. As you can see, it has closed that process in background. So if you find this video helpful, you can like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubts, you can simply comment in the comment section. Till now, bye bye.